Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you choose the 5 best sublimation printers for beginners on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches, and I am trying to list those based on price, quality, and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Epson ET2803. This eco-friendly tank printer is great for people who like to keep things simple. It's a good choice if you are not tech-savvy and don't want to spend a lot of money on a printer but still want to get a quality one. The printer also features an EcoFit ink bottle that makes refilling much easier. You can simply fill it up at home and bring it to the office/sublimation studio for printing. It's also easy to wash and it won't get ruined by moisture. You can also take advantage of the included color display to preview what you're going to print before doing it. This is especially useful for people who like to print large numbers of designs and want to make sure that they look fine. There are 2 ink bottles included, and you can use them for up to 4,500 black ink pages and 7,500 color ink pages. This is equivalent to about 90 individual ink cartridges. It's a versatile machine, and it can handle most paper types. However, it's not as good as laser printers when printing on glossy paper. The printer uses genuine Epson print quality, which means that you'll be able to get excellent results. It also uses micro-piezo heat-free technology, which helps to prevent smearing. It's a reliable machine, and it has a decent lifetime warranty. However, you'll have to pay extra for shipping and handling. At number 2, ET2760 Epson EcoTank. As opposed to the ET2803, it is a wide-format printer that can print large-format designs. Despite its beginner-friendly nature, it must be your top priority if you intend to purchase larger sizes in the future. The EcoTank ET2760 is a printer that doesn't need ink cartridges, but it does have refillable ink tanks that you can easily refill. You can save up to 90% on ink and paper, which means you can print up to 7,500 ISO pages per tank, equivalent to about 80 individual cartridge yields. This is a huge deal if you are getting into the sublimation products business for a local store or a Dollar Tree. The EcoTank ET2760 also has a large, easy-to-fill supersized ink tank that can hold up to 32 milliliters of ink. So if you're a fan of color, you'll have plenty to spare. It's also got a wireless connection, which is great for people who want to move around the house without worrying about cables. There are even a bunch of extras that come with the EcoTank ET2760. These include a cover, a 2-year warranty, and a 1-year warranty for consumables. At number 3, Epson Workforce Pro WS7820. If you're looking for a wide-format printer with a decent set of features, then the Epson Workforce Pro WS7820 is the best option for you. It can print sizes up to 13 by 19 inches. With a fast first page out time, the WS7820 helped me improve my workflow. It has a 50-sheet additional document feeder, ADF, which is helpful when you need to print out a lot of documents at once. It's also equipped with a 250-sheet paper capacity, which means you can print designs or decals without worrying about running out of paper. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen is easy to use, with a convenient menu and buttons for quick access. It's also equipped with a duplexer, which lets you print both sides of a page. In my observation, Epson has designed this printer with the convenience of mobile users in mind, so it's equipped with a USB. The WS7820 also supports various media types, including plain paper, cardstock, labels, and envelopes, which is ideal for any sublimation business. It's also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can easily connect it to the internet for online printing and scanning. At number 4, Sawgrass 500. In addition, Sawgrass 500 is a true sublimation printer rather than a conventional one, since sublimation inks void the warranty on conventional printers. Furthermore, I like the fact that there is no need to go through the conversion process. It is a high-tech printing machine that costs more than the EcoTank and Workforce printers reviewed above. I tested Sawgrass SG500 as a sublimation printer that's perfect for small businesses. It prints vibrant, crisp, clear HD images with low startup and running costs. It's easy to set up and easy to use, and it also comes with a 2-year warranty. Bypass tray and Sawgrass 500 made my life easier for over XL and larger projects. Normally, Sawgrass 500 prints 8.5 by 14, but you can print up to 51-inch long with the bypass. It all depends on what you plan on doing with it. At number 5, Epson Workforce WF7720. I love this printer because it prints wider than the 2000 EcoTank series and uses less ink. The Epson Workforce WF7720 is a wide-format printer with a large print area and good connectivity. It can print borderless photos, designs, and decals. I like that this printer is equipped with a duplex printing feature, and it automatically adjusts the paper path for the second side. This means you don't have to flip the paper manually. The touchscreen is easy to navigate, and the paper tray is large, so it's not difficult to load. This printer supports the following types of media: plain paper, photo paper, transparencies, cardstock, and envelopes. So, you can print on numerous media along with sublimation paper. The media type is indicated in the left corner of the screen. The auto document feeder allows you to feed multiple pages at once. This printer comes with Wi-Fi Direct and NFC technology, so you don't have to connect it to a network. The NFC feature lets you use it as a card reader, and you can also use it to share files and send messages. The WF7720 supports the following color modes: RGB, CMYK, and grayscale. The colors in the RGB mode are represented by the percentages of the 3 primary colors: red, green, and blue. These percentages are displayed on the top right of the screen. The CMYK mode uses cyan, magenta, yellow, and black inks to produce the colors. The inks are completely removed in grayscale, leaving only the black toner. The Epson Workforce WF7720 comes with a toner cartridge that can be replaced when the toner is low. The cartridge is easily accessible and can be removed from the front of the printer. The only drawback is that print speed is not as high as other printers that cost less, and the paper tray does not have a lot of capacity.
So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.